Welcome to Business Reporter's Facilities Management Campaign. I'm Rachel Hicks. With the development of smart building technologies, buildings are moving beyond traditional boundaries, but lifts, escalators and doors are often overlooked in this conversation. Emerging technologies are ensuring people move seamlessly in and between buildings. Well-planned people flow enhances the end customer experience and provides revenue and profitability benefits to the building owner and facility manager. We've invited Tim Joyce, Managing Director of KONE plc, to discuss these issues. Tim, hello, thank you for joining us.
Oh, thank you, Rachel.
So Tim, what are the key elements of a well-planned people flow experience?
Good people flow is the safe, smooth, comfortable travel with minimal wait times. Things that affect good people flow could be the number of people in a building and how they use it, the placement of the equipment that is used to travel from floor to floor, and even the planned flow of people throughout the building and in the surrounding areas. Each building could have different people flow characteristics. As an example, office building, you're going to see different characteristics than a residential building. Some buildings require higher service levels than others. And then finally, it's important to have consistent and clear signage so that people can move through the building in a clear and easy manner.
So what can happen if people flow is not well planned, and how can you avoid it?
Poorly planned people flow can create chaos. The good news is that this chaos can be avoided through early planning and development. So we've all been into a building where we have difficulties finding a lift, we have to wait in a long queue for a lift, potentially come across a lift that is disabled. So it's important that what we do is partner with our customers in the early design phase of a new build or renovation. We use real-time advanced analytics from our existing customer base to analyze where potential bottlenecks could occur and use that information in the new build and renovations. This allows us to avoid the situation altogether and to make sure that even when the lifts are at capacity, there'll be minimal disruption for the overall customers.
Can you tell us about the partnership between KONE and IBM that you have?
Now here at KONE, we're experts in elevators and escalators, but there are other companies who have more experience in artificial intelligence, big data, and the Internet of Things. IBM is one of those companies. So a partnership with them is only logical as we co-create to provide better solutions for our customers. A great example of this is predictive maintenance. Now, we have sensors on our elevators and escalators that we upload to the cloud. In this particular case, IBM is utilizing its artificial intelligence capabilities, or its tool, IBM Watson, to analyze that data and help us predict the maintenance or potential breakdowns within a lift or escalator. By being able to offer predictive maintenance, we can drive down the disruptions that our customers experience, which allow our customers to focus on their overall objectives of driving revenues and profitability. We call this KONE's 24/7 connected services.
What are the benefits you're able to bring to users and building owners through these solutions?
At the end of the day, these solutions provide safer transportation, smoother trips, and less congestion within buildings. This has differentiated us in the marketplace. Let me give you an example. So we have a customer who's a nationwide hotel chain whose overall occupancy rates are heavily affected by customer satisfaction sites such as TripAdvisor. So when customer satisfaction levels are high, occupancy rates are high. So there's two main drivers of a potential low score on an occupancy or on a satisfaction score. One could be the lack of hot water or availability of it. The other is the availability of the lifts. So this is important to us. So we applied our 24/7 connected services to their 50 most problematic lifts. And within those lifts, we've seen a 41% reduction in the number of entrapments that we've had, and a 24% reduction in the number of breakdowns within those lifts. This solution is helping our customer increase occupancy rates and overall increasing the revenues and profitabilities. It's having real impact. So we're very excited about the step change that we're seeing in the marketplace. And at some point in time, we'll look back and wonder how we ever lived without these solutions.
Tell me about the nature of the partnerships that you form with your clients.
We used to be a company that looked from the inside out, selling our products and services based upon the traits and characteristics or features and benefits of those products and services. Now we're looking from the outside in. And we do this by talking to our customers and listening to what their business objectives are. The addition of technology for the sake of more technology is not the answer for us. The answer for us is to understand how we can utilize the technology that we're experts in to help our customers meet their business objectives. And we can't do that unless we ask more questions. Listening to our customers is the key to our future. By listening to our customers, we'll be able to apply the right technology to help them meet their business objectives.
So what are the key elements that we need to look at when looking at people flow and connectivity to get the best out of a building?
Each building has a different use, and many buildings now are being utilized in a different way than they were originally intended. So we've seen statistics that show us that buildings today are occupied by 30 to 40% more people than the building was originally designed for. This can have a huge impact on the people flow experience for those who are working within that building. Buildings are being designed, utilized, and managed in completely different ways than they have in the past. We're very happy that we've been able to establish solutions that provide our customers answers and help them achieve their business objectives. Our API, or Applications Programming Interface Platform, is open. This allows endless possibilities to co-create with our customers. And in the future, it also allows us to add on solutions that haven't even been invented yet. And with that in mind, we really look forward to the things to come.
Tim Joyce from KONE, thank you for talking to us today.
Thank you very much, Rachel.